What if I told you that in just a few years, your favorite firearm might come with facial recognition, Wi-Fi, and even AI-powered targeting? The future of firearms is no longer just about firepower. It's about technology, intelligence, and customization, like never before. Firearms have come a long way since the days of black powder muskets. Today, we stand at the brink of a new era, where advanced materials, smart features, and futuristic designs are reshaping what guns can do and how they're used. In this video, we're diving deep into the innovations redefining the firearms industry, from biometric safeties to electromagnetic railguns. This isn't science fiction. This is the future of firearms. 1. Smart guns. Smart guns are arguably the biggest game changer in firearm safety and personalization. These weapons are equipped with biometric recognition systems, like fingerprint scanners or RFID chips, that ensure only authorized users can fire them. Imagine a handgun that won't fire unless it recognizes your fingerprint or detects your unique RFID wristband nearby. That's exactly what companies like BioFire and Armadix are working on. While still in early stages and controversial among enthusiasts, these guns could drastically reduce firearm theft, accidents, and unauthorized use. It's not just about security, it's about control. In the next decade, smart gun integration may become standard, especially in law enforcement and civilian markets concerned about safety. 2. Advanced ammunition. Ammo is evolving too. Traditional brass casings are being replaced with lightweight polymer alternatives that reduce heat and weight. But even more impressive, programmable ammunition. Imagine a bullet that can change its trajectory mid-air. That's not a fantasy. The US military is already testing smart bullets, with microchips that adjust in flight for higher accuracy. There are also caseless rounds like those in the LSAT program, reducing reload time and carrying weight, crucial in combat scenarios. Precision-guided ammunition isn't just a military dream. It's quickly becoming a reality that could reach civilian markets sooner than we think. AI-powered targeting systems. AI isn't just changing your phone or your car, it's revolutionizing firearms. AI-powered scopes and targeting systems, like those developed by Tracking Point, use real-time data and image recognition to make even novice shooters hit like trained marksmen. These systems can detect movement, calculate distance, wind, and angle, all within milliseconds, and adjust the aiming reticle accordingly. It's like having a sniper coach inside your scope. Military units have begun implementing these tools, but commercial versions are already surfacing for sport shooters and hunters. As machine learning improves, firearms may begin to learn from your habits, adjusting aim, and even recommending when to fire. 4. 3D printed guns. The rise of 3D printed firearms, also known as ghost guns, is both exciting and controversial. These homemade weapons, printed with polymer and sometimes metal parts, bypass traditional manufacturing and registration systems. While regulators are cracking down on these untraceable firearms, innovation hasn't slowed. The tech community continues to share blueprints online, creating more durable and advanced designs each year. Looking ahead, legal frameworks may evolve to accommodate 3D printed gun ownership, but expect a surge in security technologies that can detect and identify polymer-based weapons in places like airports and government buildings. 5. Electromagnetic railguns. Traditional firearms rely on combustion to propel a bullet. But what if you could fire a projectile using only magnets? That's the concept behind electromagnetic railguns. These futuristic weapons use magnetic fields to accelerate projectiles at hypersonic speeds, exceeding Mach 6. The US Navy has already tested prototypes capable of firing over 100 miles without explosives. The implications: no gunpowder, no fire, no explosive risk, just kinetic energy doing the damage. While far from consumer-ready, these weapons could redefine battlefield strategy within the next 10 to 15 years. 6. Modular firearms. Gone are the days of one-size-fits-all rifles. Today, modular weapon platforms are leading the charge. Take the Sig Sauer MCX or the AR-15 platform, for example. They allow users to change barrels, calibers, stocks, and even gas systems within minutes. This approach isn't just convenient, it's cost-effective. A single base firearm can serve as a precision rifle, a CQB carbine, or even a hunting rifle. The military loves it for its flexibility. Civilians love it for the customization. The future of firearms may not be about owning more guns, but owning one gun that can become anything. 7. Suppressor technology. Suppressors, or silencers, are becoming more advanced, lighter, and effective. Using aerospace-grade alloys and innovative baffle designs, companies like Dead Air, Surefire, and Silencer Co. are producing suppressors that dramatically reduce noise without compromising accuracy or velocity. Some newer designs are modular, letting users add or remove baffle sections based on their needs. Others are 3D printed titanium, reducing weight and heat. With changing legislation in some US states and international markets, the suppressor could become as standard on rifles as scopes are today, especially in hunting and sport shooting. 8. Augmented reality. AR. Integration. Imagine looking through your rifle scope and seeing real-time environmental data. Wind speed, bullet drop, range to target, all overlaid like a video game HUD. Augmented reality in optics is no longer a dream. Companies like Microsoft and military developers are integrating AR into weapon sights and helmets. It not only enhances situational awareness, but can also communicate with drones, maps, and squad members. While currently reserved for special forces, expect commercial versions tailored for hunters and competitive shooters within the next 5 years. 9. Biometric and behavioral safety. Biometric safeties aren't just about fingerprints anymore. Some firearms in development track behavioral cues, like grip strength, angle, and trigger habits, to determine if the shooter is authorized. If an unauthorized person tries to fire it, the gun simply won't operate. Advanced versions might alert your phone, or even law enforcement if the weapon is tampered with. As these technologies develop, expect to see firearms that not only lock and unlock based on who you are, but how you use them. 10. The rise of energy weapons. We're still a few decades away from handheld laser rifles, but directed energy weapons are no longer science fiction. High-powered lasers are already used to disable drones, burn through armor, and disrupt electronics. Miniaturization is the biggest hurdle, but progress is steady. The future may include hybrid weapons that combine kinetic and energy-based systems for maximum efficiency. Think stun modes, EMP rounds, or armor-piercing plasma shots. Military labs are already testing these prototypes. It's only a matter of time before civilians start seeing versions of energy-based defense systems. The future of firearms isn't just about shooting. It's about thinking, adapting, and innovating. From AI scopes to electromagnetic railguns, we're entering a new chapter in the evolution of weaponry. But with every advancement comes responsibility. Will these innovations make us safer or introduce new threats we haven't considered yet? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Which of these future firearms are you most excited or worried about? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dive videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.